So present situation is that cellular radio is the fastest growing segment of communication industry today, and the cellular companies reported a subscription base of more than 200 million people in 1997. The current cellular radio system are in their second generation, that is the 2G. The third generation of the cellular system 3G will allow different system to incorporate in order to attain the global roaming across a different cellular radio network. Now, what is the basic concept of cellular system? The cellular system solve the problem of spectral congestion. It also offer high capacity in limited spectrum. The high capacity is achieved by limiting the coverage area of each base station to a small geographical area called cell. Then it also replaces a high power transmitter with a several low power transmitter. Each base station is allocated a portion of a total channel, and nearby cells are allocated completely a different channel. All available channels are allowed to a small number of neighboring base stations, and the interference between neighboring base station is minimized by allocating a different channels. So a cellular network consists of both the land and radio base station. Such a network is commonly referred to as a PLMN, public land mobile network, and the network is composed out of following entities. So one is the mobile station, that is MS. This device is used to communicate over the cellular network. The base station transceiver, that is BST, so the transmitter receiver used to transmit or receive the signal over the radio interference section of the network. Then base station this base station controller, it controls the communication between a group of BST and a single MSC. Then mobile switching center, the heart of the network, set up and maintain the call made over the network. Then PSTN means what? Public switch telephone network. Here the land based section of the network. So some frequencies are used by a spatially separated base stations. The interference between the core channels station is kept below acceptable level. The additional radio capacity is achieved, and the frequency reuse is fixed number of channels serve an arbitrarily large number of subscribers. The BST and the controlling BSC, that is base station, are often collectively referred to as a base station subsystem. Base station subsystem means BSS. And the cellular topology of the network is a result of limited radio spectrum. So in order to use the radio spectrum efficiently, the same frequency are reused in non-adjacent cell, and a geographic region is divided into cell. Each cell has BST base station which transmit the data via a radio link to MS within the cell. A group of BST are connected to BSC. A group of BSC are in turn connected to a mobile switching center via either microwave link or a telephone line. And the MSC connect to a public switch telephone network, that is PSTN, which switches the call to other mobile station or land based telephones. So the operation of the cellular network system can be explained by the example of mobile station placing a call to another mobile station. A mobile station places a call by sending a call initiation request to its nearest base station. Then this request is sent on special channel, the reverse control channel RCC. Then the base station sends the request on to the MSC, validating the request. Contained in the request is the telephone number of the called party. Then MSC uses the number to make a connection to the called party via PSTN. It first connects itself to the MSC of the called party, then it instructs the base station and mobile station which place the call to switch to a voice channel. Then mobile station which plays the call is then connected to call station on unused forward and backward voice channel. So there are some steps that takes place when a mobile station receives an incoming call. So the steps are, the first one is the mobile station continuously scan the forward control channel. Forward control channel means what? It means FCC. So our paging signal from the base station. Now when the MSC mobile station receives a request for a connection to a mobile station in its area, it sends a broadcast message to all the base station under its control. Then the message contains the number of mobile station which is being called. So the base station then broadcasts the message on all forward control channels, and the correct mobile station acknowledges the page by identifying itself over the reverse control channel, that is RCC. The MSC receives the acknowledgement via the base station and instructs the base station and mobile station to switch to an unused voice channel. So a data message is then transmitted over the forward voice channel which instructs the mobile phone to ring. So these steps are happen fast enough for the user not to experience any noticeable delay between placing a request for a call and the call being connected. So this process is very much fast. So what is base station? A fixed station in a mobile radio system which is used for a radio communication with a mobile station. The base station are located at the center or on the edge of coverage region, and it consists of a radio channel and transmitter and receiver antennas which is mounted on tower. Then control channel, the radio channels which are used for the transmission of cell startup, uh, cell sorry transmission of call setup, call request, call initiation and other control purpose. Then forward channel means the radio channel which is used for the transmission of information from the base station to the mobile. Then full duplex system means the communication system which allows the simultaneously two-way communication. Full duplex means two-way communication. So the transmission reception is typically at two different channels. Although new cordless or the PCS systems are using TDD. Now what is half duplex? The communication system which allow two-way communication by using the same radio channel for both transmission and reception. At any given time, the user can only either transmit or receive the information. Then handoff means what? The process of transferring a mobile station from one channel or a base station to another. The reverse channel is the radio channel which is used for the transmission of the information from the mobile to the base station. So these are some of the examples of mobile radio system or the basic concepts related to this. Also, subscriber means what? A user who pays a subscription charges for using a mobile communication system. Transceiver, a device which is capable of simultaneously transmitting and receiving the radio signal. Then mobile station, which operates in a service area that is other than that from which service has been subscribed. This is Roman.